Roger from Lucas Fox here, and welcome to Velaya. We're in the new Golden Mile in Estepona, and this is an amazing new development right on the beachfront. I'm inside of the show villa right now, so let me just show you around real quick.
So that was a quick tour of the show villa of Velaya. Now do keep in mind, all of the facilities and the gardens will be finished in already a couple of months. Now there are a couple of villas and apartments and penthouses still available, but you'll have to be quick. Do you want to know more about all of this and know more about the prices? Go to our website www.lucasfox.com or just send us a message.